How can you model dividing a unit fraction by a whole number? Let's look at a couple of different ways.
This cornbread can help show us some ways. And it's delicious too. Yum!
Half a pan of cornbread is left over. Anne, Beth, and Chuck are sharing the leftovers equally. What fraction of the original cornbread does each person get? Why do you need to divide to find the fraction of the cornbread that each person gets? You need to divide because Anne, Beth, and Chuck are sharing the leftover part equally. Find 1/2 divided by 3 to determine the fraction of the original cornbread that each person gets. One way to find 1/2 divided by 3 is to use a model. Divide 1/2 into 3 equal parts. Each part contains 1/6 of the whole. 1/2 divided by 3 equals 1/6. Each person gets 1/6 of the original cornbread. How does the diagram help you find the quotient? It shows the original cornbread and the half cornbread cut into 3 equal parts. And it shows how much of the original cornbread each person gets. Another way to find the answer is to use a number line. Shade 1/2 on the number line. Partition 1/2 into 3 equal parts. How does the number line show the half cornbread divided by 3? The number line is shaded from 0 to 1/2, which represents the half cornbread. The 1/2 is divided into 3 equal parts. Each part is 1/6. So 1/2 divided by 3 equals 1/6. Each person gets 1/6 of the cornbread. Why is 1/6 of the cornbread a reasonable answer? Each person gets 1/3 part of 1/2, so the answer has to be less than 1/2. Now you know how to model dividing a unit fraction by a whole number.